Okay, so welcome back to Good Money's Coins and Banknotes, and we have new coin items, which most likely there's going to be flogged off. Okay, so I actually like this guy's writing, and thank you for your purchases, Stephen. Actually, I like to keep this because I like the writing. I need to learn to write like that in cursive. And the stamp that we have is a 45-cent stamp. So remember when stamps, it's got the date 2005. We're only 45 cents for regular postage. But currently, people don't really use postage stamps anymore. Okay, so can't remember what I purchased, but I've been told to stop because it's just too much. Okay, so this, so a lot of these are pretty much 1800s medieval coins, and they're not really that low value. Okay, so I keep that postage stamp. Seems to be still good. Okay, the coins that I've got is, let's see if I can take them out. So as you can see, all these coins are base metal, and some of them bullion. So this is a bullion coin, silver groschen, which in the Scheidemünz, which pretty much means it's just a fiat currency, so it doesn't represent the full value. You need 30 of these for 1 thaler. So the thaler is a large silver coin, and this is from Prussia. So we've got Frederick Wilhelm IV, King of Prussia, and this one is 1846. These would have been used up to 1875 when Germany issued the unified currency. So one of these coins you're probably paying about $10 to $20. Okay, the next one we have is 1895 UK halfpenny, has scratches on it. I didn't do that, but this is probably a common coin. Don't know. It's got Queen Victoria. It's probably about $5 or $10. Need to look at the values of that. It's it's just scratching. It's, I would say, in very fine condition, which is a pretty good condition to get for one of these coins. Okay, another one you get is not an actual coin, so coin's an official currency. This will be a token. Yep, halfpenny token from the Isle of Man, 1831. Now, tokens are issued for various reasons. In the 1800s, they were issued because of the lack of coinage. So they issued these tokens, and they're also like an advertising piece. And here we have about I think it's called the Triscus of the Isle of Man. You can see it on the flag. Looks a bit weird. And the Lycians used to issue coins with similar design. So this one's probably about $40 or $50. Okay. Then I think this is the oldest coin of the lot. It is so that's a Bavarian coat of arms, I can see. I'm not too sure what the actual coin is, but about $10 to $20 for one of these coins. And the date is, I don't think it's dated. Not all medieval coins are dated, so this is probably 1700s. But I need to look that one up. And then we have an Indian coin. I can't remember the actual state, but I think it says 2000, not the year 2000. That's I think the VS date, which is probably 1800 sometime. And this is Baroda, might be, but I like the actual gate down the bow. You got the tower, and you can see the actual individual stones that make up the actual gate. It's actually quite a nice design. I'd say about $20 of that. Then we have Guernsey coin. This is probably one double. Yeah, one double. 1914. So this is probably, it would be equivalent to a farthing. H for Heaton mint. Yeah, about $10, I believe. It's uncirculated grade. Still has mint state. Actually, probably almost uncirculated. I can see some wear on the top of the line. And this is the smallest coin that was in circulation at the time. And it was, I think, eight doubles equals 1 penny. Or maybe 4 doubles. I have to look that up again. Okay, so the next coin we have is from Montenegro, Granagora, 1 para, 1906. And this is is that damaged? Oh, it is. It's been bent. But I needed one of these to complete the set, so I just got this one. These coins of the 1 para are harder to get than the other denominations, and they usually cost starting from about $20. As this is damaged, it should be less than that. It's got also bronze disease on it, but this is a harder coin to get. And the last one we have is a Ottoman coin. This is a 1 kurush, denominations in there, and it's 1293, regal year 27. So it's probably 1880 sometime. Can't remember. Need to look it up. And these ones are about $5 to $10. So I actually like these. They're not too bad. But let me know which of these is your favourite coin.